Welcome back to YUGVIR'S cooking channel. After last week's long journey of that avocado 3 kinds of sandwich, today we are going to make a easy and slightly easy dessert, which is my mama's favorite dessert, and you get it in Calcutta, and she loved it when I was in her tummy, so even I loved it, and the dessert name is Tutti Frooti. So here's what we need. We need cherries, strawberry ice cream, canned fruit, jelly, strawberry crush, vanilla ice cream, and a glass. Let's get started. We are going to use a strawberry crush. If you don't have strawberry crush, you can take strawberry jam. But don't forget to whip it so it becomes loose. And then you take 2 to 3 spoons and you put it in your glass. Put very little and then swirl it. If you don't think it's swirling, just put the thing from the sides. But mine is perfectly swirled, so I'm not going to put it from the sides. After this, we are going to put some canned fruit. Now we are going to put some strawberry ice cream, a nice big scoop. After this, you are going to put jelly. If you don't know how to make jelly, check the instructions on the jelly box and then set it in a shallow dish. After it's set, you cut it into small cubes like these. Put the jelly on the strawberry ice cream and then put the vanilla ice cream. If you want, you can put some more canned fruit. If you don't, it's okay. After that, you can put in 1 small scoop of the strawberry crush. I'm using an individual cup, but if your cup is bigger, you can keep adding the same layers every time. And if you are making it a party and you don't want to serve it like single or in a big cup, you can serve it in a big shallow dish. Now that this is, I think mine is a little too mushy, so we are going to go pop this in the freezer. See you after school. Now that it's all frozen, it's ready to dig in. So good. For more recipes coming up, subscribe to my channel, YUGVIR'S Kitchen. Children who are cold, don't eat it because you'll get mouth of the cold. And children who have seen it before a meal, eat your meal first and then eat the dessert Tutti Frutti for more. And watch videos every Saturday 9 o'clock. Bye. See you next time.